Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how Close CRM is the best for workflows and automation. Close is the easy-to-use CRM built for the way small businesses actually sell, fast, automated, and focused on customer relationships. The Smart Views feature dynamically filters leads based on behavior, ensuring reps focus on the hottest prospects.